You've created a masterpiece in the trial version of Ableton Live 12 Suite, and your 30-day trial period has ended. That means no saving. You're scared to shut your computer down. You always got it charging. You don't want to lose that file. You don't know what to do. Let me put you up on game. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is D Nix, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to save your Ableton Live 12 Suite files even after your 30-day trial period has ended. If this is your first time visiting my channel, and this is the type of content you like, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let's get with the video. On Ableton.com, you can try Live 12 for free. Create an account. Start your free trial of Ableton Live. Explore Live 12 Suite's full features free for 30 days. Go to your download section. You can download Ableton 12 for Mac or for PC. As you know, or as you have heard, Ableton Live is a top DAW used by millions to create all music in all genres. Okay, after downloading and installation, we're going to go to the application folder and double click on Live to run it. Okay, here's a project I created to demonstrate the saving process after Ableton Live 12 trial has ended. So we're going to try to save this file. We're going to go to File. We're going to go to Save Live Set As. And as you can see, saving and exporting are currently deactivated. So we're going to click on OK. And if you go ahead and close out Ableton Live, then your project is gone. So just to listen to just a little bit of this track. Okay, what we want to do now, just click on one and click on Command A to highlight everything. We're going to right click and we're going to go to Bounce to New Tracks. And let it do its thing. %, bouncing all the way to 100%. And all the tracks are bouncing. Okay, all tracks are bounced. So what we want to do now, we want to go to Current Project. We want to right click on Samples. We want to click on Show in Folder. And there's your samples. We're going to double click on that. Double click on Process, double click on Bounce. And there are your WAV files. Okay, these WAV files can be imported into any DAW. If you purchase any MIDI device, there's a great chance that it came with a free download of Ableton Live Lite. So I have Ableton Live Lite on my system, so we're gonna open up Ableton Live Lite. Okay, Ableton Live Lite is up. We're just gonna click on the WAV files and drag and drop them into Ableton Live Lite. Ableton Live Lite will let you import up to 8 tracks. one. Okay, we're gonna close out that file. Okay, let's listen to what we have in Ableton Live after we imported all those WAV files. Ableton Live Lite. Told y'all.